Have you ever wanted to perfectly frame your images or videos in Canva but didn't know where to start? Today, I'll show you how to crop like a pro in just a few simple steps. First, select the image, video, or element you want to crop. Once it's highlighted, look for the crop button in the editor toolbar. Clicking this opens a cropping interface, giving you full control over your visuals. You can now drag the corners or edges to manually crop your content exactly how you want it. Need a standard size? Canva makes it easy with preset aspect ratios, so whether it's square, portrait, or landscape, your crop is perfect every time. But here's where it gets really cool. The Smart Crop feature, powered by AI, it automatically focuses on the most important part of your image, saving you time and making your designs look more professional instantly. Once you're happy with your adjustments, simply click Done, and your perfectly cropped image or video is ready to shine in your design. Cropping in Canva is fast, precise, and even fun once you know these tricks. Give it a try on your next project and see how much cleaner your designs look.